Okay. So, first impression may open the door, but true understanding comes from spending time with people, right? So, we should avoid jump to conclusions and always remember that appearances can be. Hello, Neelamji. Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening. How are you?
Yeah, everything is going smoothly on my end. Yes.
Wow. Good.
Yes.
Nice
And how
to
about
hear.
you?
Yeah, everything. My side also. Tickety boo. Tickety boo. It's
Okay.
good. Everything is okay.
Yes.
I'm so happy and I'm in my flow.
Sounds good.
Okay. So, how your day going on, ma'am?
Yeah, everything is okay. Everything is hunky dory. My day was productive and fruitful.
Wow.
Yes.
Your your appearance is looking like you are so happy. It's me. You are going with a good day. Wow. Good.
Yes, yes. Actually, we need to keep a smiling face, right?
Yes, yes. We
It's a
always wear happy
keep of dinner.
smiling.
Yes.
Okay, full of beans. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So, ma'am, first of all, we should go for a little bit introduction. First
Okay.
your side, then after my side.
Okay. My name is Ikta Jain. I hail from Rajasthan. I have completed LLB as well as LLM. And nowadays, I'm running my YouTube channel named Simplify English with Ikta Jain. So that's all about me.
Very nice, very small and people nutshell introduction. We need little less because now these days a too long introduction nobody like. Very straightforwardly, I am talking about that. So that's the reason I'm also going to for my pretty well in a very small introduction. Like I am Neelam Dhingra, I am from Delhi. I'm an English teacher professionally these days, and I'm also YouTuber. And I upload English content for the English learners. That's my motto. And yes, I am taking spoken English classes as well as for
Yes.
this. Yes.
Yes.
So this nutshell introduction is very like uh, good for both sides, and now we start the conversation.
Okay. Yes. Without further ado, let's dive into today's topic. Okay. And
Yeah,
enjoy the thought provoking conversation together, right?
let's see.
Neelamji, what do you think about our first impression? Means how important is first impression?
Very nice point, and really to very thought provoking also. So if I go for the first appearance, it's very important and essential. But what happened when we meet someone? Immediately, yeah, we can say that came across someone immediately without and not seeing. So what happened? We judge the person immediately without thinking second thought, without giving second thought. So and this is not good because we what we happen we usually go for the outfit and personality. Somebody sometime what happens the person is very personal like they go for the they're very smart and dapper and we can say very personality wise and with a good outfit and usually we take them very high five from the affluent person even though we not about their personal even though we not about their behavior not about their background without uh, thinking about their background and their what kind of behavior he or she have we are usually take the perceive we usually perceive them like he or he or she is from the affluent family but these things these things is going on very much we are usually crazy for the outfit a person is with a fancy dress and with the hi-fi personality we usually perceive them like a very nice person and what happened? It's usually not like this. We should not go for the appearance. So first we take time. We take pause to think about. And first appearance not is the it doesn't mean it is the person like this. We should first pause and think about that. and then we can go for their judgment, about their judgment. So it's very important not go for the first appearance. But in if I if, in my opinion, sometimes first appearance very essential, very vital. Like a person is going for the interview, then they have to very update and very about their outfit, very cautious about their outfit, because it's very important that time in the interview. There's count, these things count usually. But the parents, yeah, yeah, yes, then it's very vital when the person is going to interview. And if we go over the party and the kitty party, the social while the photo, like we are having social connectivity, and then we go for, then we also take care of our board and our outfit. Very important, because it is also mirror of the our personality, our status also. So it's very then it is very important to go for the appearance. But if we came across a person sometime immediately without any noticing, then we should not perceive any opinion to about their personality. And then we think, because after dealing, after we can get the after having interaction for a long time, then we can say that yes, a person is kind or not. Because it's happened sometimes the person is if in appearance is very looking very nice, we feel that the person is very kind and very compassionate and very generous person. But we don't know inwardly person is a kind or unkind. We don't know person is a callous and cruel. We don't know, but we should not immediately judge the people and at the first appearance.
But yes, I also believe, but I think that first impressions, yes, first impressions are always important. Actually, they often shape us. They often shape that how people perceive. Means, many people tend to shape us on, right? Shape us up because of our appearances. They tend to jump to conclusions without thinking deeply, right? So it's happening many times. But I think that our judgment and should based on like character, their values, right? Yes.
Yes,
So
yes.
first impression or always means I say that it's not accurate. Sometimes it's not accurate because they don't reveal our true character. After some time, like when we spend our quality time with each other, then we can know about each other, right?
Yeah,
Don't judge by its cover.
right. Okay, so very nice, very true, ma'am. Very vital
Because
thing. Because it's
ye-
happened. You see what the people do when we meet anybody, we immediately starting the judgment about the person. But
okay,
it is
say,
wrong.
have you ever judged, ma'am Neelam ji? Have you ever judged someone incorrectly? Have you ever judged someone
I think I
incorrectly
made
based
type
on
of.
first impression?
I don't know. Don't remember any kind of experience. But I think, in my opinion, we should not go for the judgment immediately. But what will happen? Our community, our society is like this, and we are also like this. We can't say that we are not like this. We are like this. But now, because of the maturity, we have now grown up. Now, so many things when we read, and we, because of the education, little by the knowledge, we can say that now we are can now we can now we can say that we should not go for the immediate judgment. It take time. We don't know what kind of the demeanor the person have. So this is very important. Take time after interaction, after when we spending ample of time with them, then we can guess the person, how is the behavior, how is the nature. And sometimes what happens, this appearance can mislead the person. So this is the reason we should not go for the immediate judgment or comment, in my opinion. So
Yes,
have you had any experience like
yes.
uh,
Many times, like yes,
like
it happened with me many times because their appearance, their smartness, their good looking, like their dress up many times. So, but I have like once I thought that she was arrogant, but after, because actually she was quite unreserved, but after getting to know that no, she was thoughtful, right? She was thoughtful, and she was very kind hearted. So means that experience taught me a valuable life lesson that uh, don't judge a book by its cover. Yes. So this is really, it happened many times when we witness others that okay, he's handsome or she's looking so gorgeous, but we don't know about their character, their values, how they behave with others, right?
With that.
Sometimes they may be cruel or not kind hearted, they are not honest, many things can be happen.
So what do you think, ma'am? If we should go for the like first time when we think that going to anywhere, we usually talk about with others, with family members, go for and dressed well. So because it is very important when we interacting someone is go for the our dresses, our personality and outfit and about we can say that we usually go every time we when we go anywhere some or somewhere we can say that usually we dress properly and very cautious about their dress. It is very important. It's very vital to go properly dress up and our hair should be good, well set. So, what do you think? Then the person should go. How the person go? Like in simplicity, or the well groomed and well personality with good personality, like good outfits.
Like live and let live, right? Simply, yes, simple living and high thinking. If you are looking simple, but actually you are well dressed, okay, I'm not talking about like but if you are well dressed and and your behavior works a lot, your gestures, your no and non-verbal communication, your body language speaks much.
Absolutely right. Yeah,
Yes, but yes, I also believe that we should always be well dressed. Means yes, it's important,
yeah. Very,
right?
very
Yes,
true. We should go for the neat and good output, but we should stay grounded and with kind
yes,
hearted. It's very important because
actually.
when we have these spirituals, we need not to speak too much. Our action will speak. Very nice, ma'am.
If person is down to earth and really he's very supportive and kind hearted, okay, he's devoted to others, like in the need of us, he is always be ready, he or she. So that time it's, they are very respected, right?
Yes, yes.
uh, Blessings from others.
So, ma'am, it's happened sometimes. We usually we go for the any interview, and when we go for the any marriage party, then what do you think? What should we do? How we go for that?
As usual, like according to events, okay, we dress. And I also think like whenever I have to attend, so earlier I try to manage everything, if I had to buy or I have to manage, right,
Yeah.
according to the events, because different programs, different kind of dresses we need,
Yes.
because in this era like lots of programs are happening,
Mm.
so different events. Earlier it was not happening, right? It was
Yes.
not held.
Mm. Absolutely.
Nowadays,
Yes, yes. Or even though when the person go for the to cracking the interview, it's very important to go with the good personality, with good, well dressed and with good outfit because it is also count is their personality because all the body language, the behavior, and the way how they are he is uh, presenting himself or herself in
yes,
the interview cabin, so it's very important. Then if we can't say we go for the simplicity. If we go for the simplicity, they can be reject us. We can be rejected. So it's very important to stay when according to when we should wear the outfit, and every time inwardly we should stay always happy, kind. generous to other. But outwardly, if we say that it's very important to stay neat and with positive vibes. And when the event is there's a necessary according to the event, we should dress up. If we not go for the dress up according to the event, it will also not good. The people immediately take us like backward area, or sometimes they feel that they are not good at from the wealth, and we can say they are not well to do. It's also bad thing, because our society, our community is we can't stop anyone from thinking. We can stop ourselves. We can stop ourselves. We can stop other one. No, that's the reason it's very important to prepare ourselves, like with test ourselves with according to event. So it's in my opinion.
We should turn on a blind eye. We should ignore that time actually. And people tend to take things at face value.
Yeah.
Right. So, however, our dress or our impression, like first impression, it doesn't like it define or reflect our character, our values, our intelligence, our wisdom, right?
Right, right.
I thought many times like first impression is a last impression. Yes, as we know, but sometimes bad can means bad impression can be changed over time, over period of time. So, what
Hmm.
do you think about that? Can a bad impression be changed?
Hmm.
Because I believe that a bad impression can be changed after some time, like and it's not bad impression always not like it's the end of the road. Means our positive behavior, our consistent efforts, or like it can change our impression.
Right, right.
Was also like this that my friend that she told me that because I was shy person and I used to quiet, but so she assumed that I was arrogant, but I was not like that.
Some person was very reserved, and you can say
Speaking, yes,
they are introvert person. So
introvert.
sometimes the other person perceive that they are not to want to talk us, because maybe they are having like they feel that arrogant and maybe snooty person. So that's the reason some person perceive like this. But after time, when they interacting with each other, then they get to know, no, this is not right. We were wrong that time.
We,
So
when
this.
we when yes, when people get success, right,
Mhm.
then we assume okay, we were wrong.
Yeah,
Like
we were wrong. Yeah.
people can turn things around by their
Mm.
positive attitude and behavior, and they can earn respect, they can earn trust, right?
Mm. Right. So it's very we when we feel that we were wrong, so it's a bad. It would be better to while um, perceiving anyone, first give a second thought. It's very important. And
Yes,
secondly, I would like to say that just we should change our mindset. Every time we should not go for the first appearance. Sometimes it's not good. Sometimes it's not right. I mean to say, right word is that it is not good. Right. So every time we are not right at the perceiving of the person, we should not judge. We have not right. We have no right to judge a person according their appearance. We don't know how much efforts, how maybe he was not in good mood. Maybe he or she was going through a harsh phase. Maybe the her or his time was not good, not favoring them. That's the reason he or she is not in good like outfit. Sometimes happen, and we think that a different thing. So we should now. I would like to say that we should change our mindset, our perspective. Now, the
actually, Neelam, our
person.
body language speaks a lot. Our body language speaks volumes,
Hmm. But the
right?
first time we can't say, no. But first time we can't say anything. So
Yes,
first time we should not judge immediately. So after
yes.
when we interact, naturally the body language is enough for to speak. We know not to speak anything about us. We are good, we are kind, we are gentle. No need to speak. Everything speak. Our actions will speak
Actually,
naturally.
a warm smile, eye contacting, and confident person speaks a lot.
Mhm.
It can help us make a uh, first impression.
Yes.
Means,
Right.
non-verbal communication. We are not saying something. but non-verbal communication can often creates a lasting
Mm.
impression on others.
Yes.
Means we are not speaking, even before we speak, it influences others, our body language.
Nice, ma'am. Nice. Very nice. Your points are very nice and you are designated very, very wonderfully. Really, I appreciate your opinion, ma'am. So, very
Actually,
nice
sometimes
conversation we had.
sometimes we make unfair judgment about
Yeah,
others.
we should not go for that.
Yes, actually,
Mm.
yes, I realized
Yeah.
many times.
That's the
Yes,
reason I am saying that we should change our perspective. We
yes,
now we are not, we are grown up, we are mature enough. We can't say immediate to judge anybody because we know, because of knowledge, because of wisdom, and now we can don't go for that immediate. We don't want to say anything ill for the others because we know it's a great impact of our karmas. We should not say anything anybody to wrong without knowing anything about her and her. So it's very not good thing. It's the great impact of our karmas. I believe. I believe. So
actually, right. You are right, and I see eye to eye because like sometimes uh, actually we should give them what we say, the benefit of the doubt, right?
yes, yes,
The benefit of the doubt, and we should take time to understand
yes.
before forming any opinions. We should take
Mm,
time. We should think practically. We should
mm.
be pragmatic. Always be useful. Mean always be mindful, right?
Mindful, wiseful,
And make
wiseful,
informed
wiseful.
decisions.
Yes, ma'am. And actually, that's the reason we should now enhance our wisdom about this. So we should not go for the immediate, go for the appearance and judgment and comment. It's not good thing because that's the reason I am saying that we should mend our ways. So our society, our community, are so many people doing like this because our Indian societies we know that. But the person is good, kind, and generous, and they know the person is with empathy feeling. Definitely he or she should be not would not say anything about the ill to others. So it is a thing, man. When we see something, when we came across some person, we can when we come across one person, a person is not maybe not into dress, but because of but we should not comment immediate because we know that maybe there is any problem, maybe there is any conflict inside with her family members, her or his family member. So there are a lot of reason. We should take it casually and like normally. We should not make it issue. We should not take the starting commenting on their personality and their outfit and how she is, even though he is excellent. Or maybe we can say that maybe they are not well off families. Maybe he is not in he or she is not in good dress. We should not go for this like of decorating comments. We should go for simplicity and we think about that the other person maybe can be in a soup or in a pickle. So that's the reason every
Yes,
time we should be kindful to others also and our comments and very clear and not like ill and decorating should be. And this is
actually,
my
first, yes, actually, first impression can sometimes be wide of the mark.
yeah,
Means we are unaware of about the reality. Okay,
yeah,
we are running out of time, so
yeah, yes.
wrap up the session.
Yes, sure, sure, sure. We had nice conversation, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for giving me your precious time. You are so busy in these days. Okay, ma'am.
Absolutely. Okay, bye.